Good morning, YouTube. It's wet outside and I wanted to skate. So, what do? Well, one of my followers suggested I made a video about skate fits. Well, I got one on right now because I thought I was going to go skate this morning. Turns out that's not going to happen. Wearing these nice corduroy pants. They got cargo pockets on them. I like the different colors, like patchwork look to them. My brother actually got these at Goodwill, and they didn't fit him, so he gave them to me. They work pretty well with these New Balance numeric 480s in the gray and black shirt. You can pick all kinds of different colors, shirt and shoes as a combination. Today's fit video, I'm just basically going off of the pants and we're going to build the outfit around that. So I have a plain purple t-shirt on right now and my gray New Balance 480s. I think you could wear the blue New Balance 480s with these. You could possibly wear like boy mitten whites. I think those would look good coming down off of these colors. There's all kinds of different color combinations you could use for the shoes. As far as the shirts go, you have different options as well. You could always throw in a hat to complete the fit. Got my hair up right now, so this hat ain't gonna go on the way I want it to, but throw on a hat to match. All right, staying on the purple, we're gonna throw on this extra large Wednesday Addams from the Addams Family new TV series. New, it's not new, but it is the newest of the Addams Family. Uh, this one looks nice with it, I think, because the black flows right into the black right here. You got purple, but it's not too much purple, and then a nice contrast between the black and white showing Wednesday on there. I love wearing this shirt. If you've seen in some of my past videos, I've worn this exact fit right here with my skate gear on at the skate park. And I also have some little towels I use when it's hot, wipe up my sweat. And I don't have it with me right now, they're at home, but if you look back at some of my videos where I'm wearing this outfit, you'll see I have like a almost indigo purple towel draped over my shoulder, and it has the Wednesday Addams on there. This also goes pretty well with the purple flat bill Mac hat. So that's another fit that you could build based off of these pants alone. I still got the same New Balance shoes on, but you could possibly even go with the blue one still with this outfit because the blue and the purple do go well together. Let's try something else. All right, switching it up a little bit. We're going to go with this beautiful, vibrant neon lime green riffraff shirt with the pink. Pink does match the pant leg on this side with the pink. The green flows pretty well with it. I got on two different shoes just to kind of show you the difference. This would be the blue 480s versus the black and gray 480s. I think it works either way. You could even look like a little clown out there on the streets and wear one of each shoe. Just switch out the insoles. All you would need to do is switch out these gel insoles and put them into the blue one so that they're both nice and comfortable and sitting at the same height. Good to go. I have quite a few riffraff shirts, but this is the one that I feel like matches these pants the best. So this is the one I chose to match with the fit today. Let's put on something else. All right, guys. This is not the last shirt that I have in my arsenal to match with these pants, but this is the last one I'm going to do on this video, simply because a lot of my other shirts do go with different outfits I wear, and I don't want to kind of give up too much. I'd like to make a few other videos showing different outfit combinations, but this is my Port Aransas, Texas shirt. It's got like that classic retro style text to it with all the different colors, which seems to be big with the younger generations nowadays. I don't understand, but you know, but it works pretty well. I think it looks better with these grays since it is a black shirt, but it does have some blues in there, so you could go with these darker blue New Balance shoes. You could even possibly, like I said, switch it up. You can do greens, you can do whites. I don't know if the all black shoes would look too well. I think it'd be too much, but it might also be just what you're looking for to get that vintage look. If you had the all black 440s with the gum sole, I think that would look pretty nice. Um, it's all user preference. Again, this isn't the last shirt in my arsenal to go with this specific outfit, but I do have other sets of pants, other shorts and stuff that I would like to show y'all. So I don't want to give away my whole arsenal of shirts if I'm going to make videos showing the other outfits. So this is just a quick little video of me throwing together some outfits all based off of these corduroy pants. I don't even know what the brand is. It's Elfric Eden, if that's how you say it. So if you're looking for these, I have seen them online. I don't even, these are such weird pants. I really like the colors. It says, dang, it's hard to read upside down. Flam in the SOS, our dreams begin in 2027. I don't freaking know. All right. So if you like this video, leave a comment, down in the bottom. If you have any video suggestions, go ahead and leave those in the comments down at the bottom as well. If you like my content and you're not subscribed, please do click subscribe. I do lots of videos, skate tip tricks, video tours of different skate parks in the San Antonio and South Texas area. This is a new video series I'm going to be starting. I'll probably do one a week where I put together different skater outfits based off of the pants and work my way around those, since pants seem to be the most versatile in a man's closet. I also do videos of just me skating and learning new tricks. If y'all already haven't checked out my other video series, I have a playlist on my channel. Go ahead and click that. It's called Skater Psychology. I talk about a lot of different things, from how the skater mind works when trying to learn new tricks, certain tricks versus other tricks that might seem scary, and then you try something that seems way harder to someone else and it's easy for you. And then even stuff down to your mental health with anxiety, depression, issues like that. So go ahead and click on the channel, subscribe, look through my playlists. I have all these playlists set up for trick tips and tutorials, skate park tours, me learning new tricks, skater psychology, and then now I'll have the skate fits. So thank you all for watching. Have a lovely day. Peace out. Yay, go Bako, baby.